How to show all columns names on a large Pandas data frame. I have a data frame that consists of hundreds of columns, and I need to see all column names. What I did. The output is how do I show all columns instead of a truncated list?
You can globally set printing options. I think this should work. Method 1. Method 2. This will allow you to see all column names and rows when you are doing .head. None of the column name will be truncated. If you just want to see the column names, you can do.
In the interactive console, it's easy to do. Or this within a script.
To obtain all the column names of a data frame, df_data in this example, you just need to use the command df_data.columns.values. This will show you a list with all the column names of your data frame. Code. Output.
This will do the trick. Note the use of display instead of print. Edit. The use of display is required because pd.option_context settings only apply to display and not to print.
Christmas